Good morning, everybody. Welcome to San Antonio Living. I'm Shelly Miles. If you're spending any time outside, now really is a good time. It's cooled off quite a bit, and you can enjoy dinner outside, or maybe you're having a barbecue. We've got you covered this morning with some easy summer side salads. Krista is here from Krista's Culinary Creations to tell us more. It's good to see you.
Good morning. So nice to see you. It's always fun to be here.
I love it when you're here because you do some great things, and you know, I think a lot of people are taking the opportunity. It's not over 100 right now, so we can actually be outside. So a lot of people are doing barbecues and things like that. If you're looking for a few side dishes, the old standby is potato salad.
Potato salad is, you have to have it, you know. And there's so many variations. You can make it as spicy, add all kinds of crazy things. And the nice things about salads is a lot of the ingredients can go into multiple
That is so
dishes.
true. So you chop once and you add it to your different salads. My husband and I argue over potato salad. First, is it mustard or is it mayonnaise?
I like a little both. I do.
I like that.
I like
a little bit of
both.
Very nice. And so we're going to print up these recipes. We'll have them for you on the website if you'd like to know how to make any of these things. Another one is sort of non-traditional, but very good, is this broccoli salad.
Yeah, this is broccoli. We call it BLT because it's got broccoli, but still the bacon, and then tomatoes, and then we've done kale instead of lettuce because that just holds up better in a salad. And then you can reduce the amount of pasta. You know, everybody's carb conscientious and clean eating, so that's a way to kind of sneak in some extra things that the family will eat and not really even notice it.
Looks so good. Okay, we're going to share with you a recipe for a chicken salad. This is something that you can customize to make your own if you're like a sweet person. You can add some of those raisins and grapes. If you're not, you can leave it out. But let's start with the chicken. What do you like to use?
I like to use bone-in, skin-on chicken breast.
Okay.
It just gives it the most flavor, and you're going to discard all that after it cooks anyway.
Okay.
So, but it just will give you that flavor. And you just want to drizzle with a little olive oil. And then we always use our house seasoning, which I think I sent you that recipe as well.
Yes.
And then just put a little house seasoning on it.
Super secret recipe.
It is into a 350-degree oven until an internal
so in the
temperature.
oven, you're not boiling it.
Nope.
Okay,
We're
I like
do
that.
it in the oven.
Once that comes out, then what are you going to do? Cube it up?
Yep, cube it up. Discard the chicken, the skin and the bones, and you can save those if you want to make a broth or do something fancy with it, but otherwise.
Next step is to make the binder, and I've seen a lot of people do it this way where you prepare it almost like a dressing, and then you drop it into the bowl. Is that what you like to do?
We like to do that.
Okay.
I've got this bowl for you to do that. Actually, you can use this one, it's a little bit bigger, and people can see.
All right, so I would start with mayonnaise, right?
Yes.
About how much?
You know, just, it's all to taste, but I would probably put about half of that bowl, so maybe a cup and a half.
Okay, sounds good. Are you using real mayonnaise?
This is all real mayonnaise.
I like it.
We use whole, real ingredients as much as we can.
Perfect.
Because we find other ways to make it healthy.
Okay, mustard goes in?
Mustard,
Dijon?
that's a Dijon mustard, and that's where you can get creative. You can use a stone ground, German, spicy.
Okay.
No mustard.
I'm going to go straight for the celery.
Yes.
I think that I'm going to go the whole thing. Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah,
I'm going to do a little bit of some nuts.
Yes, so there's almonds and pecans are what we find work the best. And
I
if
like
you
a little
have
crunch.
the opportunity to roast them,
Do that.
really kind of releases all the flavor.
And then green onion?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to do some green onion. I'm going to do all of that. Okay, sounds good. I think I'm good right now.
I think
Salt
so.
and pepper?
Yep, you can use my fancy salt and pepper, or you can use some house seasoning.
Oh, house seasoning it is. Okay, now you have a secret ingredient that you like to use. What is it?
This is heavy whipping cream. There's no carbs in heavy whipping cream.
So
it's
smart.
really, and then you just want to whisk it up a little bit.
Okay.
Just to kind of get it, you don't want to make it into whipped cream. You
Just
want
a little bit.
Just kind of zhuzh it up a little bit, and then add that to your sauce.
Oh my gosh, I would have never thought of that.
It really kind of gives it that little tangy flavor.
Into our chicken. Look how good that looks.
Oh, so yummy.
Oh my goodness.
And then we like to stir our chicken salad, especially when it's cubed, with tongs. Because I feel like you can really dig in there and get
Look at
it
that.
good.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Yum. And the little whipping cream kind of holds everything together.
It does.
I love that.
It really just make some with and make some without, and you will definitely see the difference, and you won't.
Pack these things
Do
up
anything.
with all of your beach goodies. You want to take a
Yes.
trip to the beach or maybe an outside picnic. Look how cute this
Oh,
is.
it's so fun.
I know, I love it. Make it easy. The kids will love it, you will love it. And of course, all of this you can pick up from Krista.
Yes.
She is a personal chef. She can help you out if you've got questions, but we've also got the recipes for you on our website. It is Krista's Culinary Creations. She is on Mainland Drive. Give her a call for cakes, for cookies, for pre-made dinners, for catering. She does it all at 210-422-7026. You can also go online to Krista's Culinary Creations on Facebook for more.